Now, let me explain why, if I can, why water is very important to you. I don't know if you know, but the normal person has every cell in their body pass 1 million molecules of water per second through each cell.
Okay.
So every cell in your body has 1 million molecules of water per second go through it. That's a lot of water just through each cell. And that happens every second in every cell in your body. If it doesn't, it comes diseased. And let me explain how the biology of this whole thing, if I can. A cell is just like your house. Like it has a living room, it has a kitchen, it has a dining room, it has doors on it, it has sleeping quarters, that sort of stuff. And the right water has the right key to open the door to go into your house. And it's an electromagnetic key structure, and it wants to be H2O. Well, our water has unfortunately picked up pesticides in it, and has picked up hormones and endocrines and uranium and arsenic and nitrates and everything from the modern world that we keep dumping into our system. So now you have a nice house and it's nice and tidy and arranged, right? You invite guests in, they sit down at the dining room table, you prepare a meal, you bring it out, you serve it to them, they eat, you tidy things up, take the trash out, and they leave out the door again, right? And that's how a cell works. It invites water in as a guest and other nutrients. They gather around a table. You prepare some stuff in the kitchen, which is your mitochondria. It actually feeds the people, and then they get energy from it and they leave, and then you take the trash out. And around this thing, you have electrical wire coming in, right, to provide lights and electricity and stuff. Easy water, what Dr. Pollack found, is the electricity coming into your house to do the cooking. If you don't have easy water, if you don't have the right water, if it's been disarrayed, it's not the right molecular structure, you don't get the electricity to turn that cell on. So easy water is that cell. Now, hopefully you don't have someone with a fake key that's called a burglar that comes into your house that uses a fake key, and he comes in, he disarrays everything, steals from you, takes your stuff and leaves. That's what water does when it's not, when it has pesticides in it or something. It fakes that it's water, and that's how it does damage. And it steals your RNA or DNA or bits of it, and then that causes diseases.
Right.
The other thing you have to worry about now is a bull, right? A bull comes up to your front door. He doesn't knock on it. He bashes that thing in. He comes into your living room, knocks everything around, tears everything up, defecates, poops everywhere, and he's hard to get out. And he's going to do what he wants to. That's the cancer or the diseases. And he does whatever he wants to do. So how do you get that guy out? Well, you have to molecularly rearrange everything. You have to push him out the door, and then your house is still a mess. So now you want to rearrange everything. You have to go in and repair everything. You have to rearrange it the way you want, fix the furniture, put the back door back on, and hopefully he won't come knocking again. Well, when you have the right water is the repair crew. Besides being this EC thing, the right water is molecularly arranged correctly. And that's what I've done by accident, fortuitous accident, is I have rearranged that water. I have molecularly rearranged the water. That's all it is. And that molecular rearrangement is a repair crew that comes in and goes, your house is a mess. Let's clean all the furniture. Let's put everything back where it was. Let's invite the right guests in. You feed them. you eat the right meat, you eat the right chicken, right fish, right. We'll feed your guests. They'll get energetic. They'll come back out. Your guests leave. You take the trash out, and everything's happy again.
Right.
That's how water works in your body. Every cell is a house, and every water is the electricity coming in or the repair crew. And that's what the DDW does, and that's what the easy water does, and that's what the highly energetic water does. Now, when you have water that picks up a pesticide in it because you've eaten it off of maybe an apple that you bit into, or a pear, because they're prepared pesticides, or and they're in the skin, or the meat that you're eating, there's hormones that's injected into it. Those are the bad guys. So our water helps get rid of those guys.